In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube logo in Fotor. We'll keep this simple and beginner-friendly, while still covering the key details that make your logo look clean and professional. Start by opening your web browser and heading to fotor.com. On the home page, look to the top right and click the Login button. Choose the account option you prefer to sign in with. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your main workspace. From here, find the search bar near the top of the dashboard. Type the word logo and confirm your search. This takes you straight into Fotor's logo editor, where you'll see a gallery of ready-made logo templates. These templates are designed to save you time and help you get a strong result, even if you're not a designer. Browse through the templates and pick something that feels right for your YouTube brand. For a channel logo, prioritize simple shapes, bold icons, and clear text that will still look good when it's shown as a small circular profile image. Think about the vibe of your channel, playful, techie, minimalist, or bold, and choose a template that matches that tone. Also consider colors. High contrast combinations like dark text on a light background tend to be easier to read at smaller sizes. Once you've chosen a template, click it to open the editor. Now it's time to make it yours. Replace the placeholder text with your channel name or initials. If your name is long, consider using initials or a short version so it stays legible. Adjust the font to match your style. Clean sans serif fonts are great for modern, readable logos. Use the size controls to make sure the text isn't cramped and center it so the design feels balanced. Next, customize colors. Pick one or two main colors that reflect your brand and keep it consistent. You can click on shapes, icons, and text to change their colors. If your template includes an icon, swap it for something that better represents your content. Keep the layout simple. Too many elements can look cluttered when the logo is small. Zoom out to preview how it will look as a profile image and make minor tweaks to spacing and alignment until everything feels polished. When you're happy with the design, you're done. You've created a YouTube-ready logo using Fotor's logo editor quickly and confidently.